Hi guys, so welcome back. Uh, Now, as we are starting with the new our new project, which is we are going with our habit tracker app. Basically, this application will help us to track our habits. Like we usually have a see, what we will do. We will suppose we have some goals, like we have to drink water 6 times a day, or we want to perform we want to have an exercise, or we want to do some meditation, or maybe we want to done something that we are like forgot in future, right? So what we can do, we'll create one application for the users, so he or she can list down his habits. Like today I have to drink 6 glass of water, I have to 3 times we have to eat food, this thing I have to need to eat an apple a day, or etc and etc. Habits can be differ from people to people, right? So we'll create an application for that. In that application we'll understand about the block architecture. Okay, we'll understand about the storage related things, like in the recently in last project we have understood about the SQL, right? So now we'll move to our either Hive, or we can understand a new also I have done some research, so I found something new in, like we have a hybrid block. So we'll understand that architecture also. That thing is new for me as well. Okay, so we'll understand that thing also. So how we will so in this video I'll give you a basic idea. I have told you what we will do. So you can see the screen. So what we will doing here, like we have a just a second, yeah. So we will have a simple screen here like this. Okay, we will have a tabs, like one is our home tab, right? One is our you can say add a habit tab. Okay, one we have a states tab, and lastly we have a settings tab. Okay, so we have a 4 tabs on the home page. Okay, so we on the home page, like we have our home page here. So here we have a list of our habits, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so like it will be a today's task. Okay, today's habits will be doing. Okay, so we will have a today's to, today's habits. Okay, secondly, in the plus tab we have a in the second tab we have a create habit screen where we enter a habit detail. Okay, then we have a frequency selection. Okay, it's a daily, weekly, or monthly. Okay, then we have a start date. Okay, so it will be starting from today or tomorrow, or whatever the date it will be selected, and it will be a then we will have a reminder also, like at what time we have to remind it. Okay, but reminder is an optional. So if user don't want to set any reminders, then we will not irritate the user to send any notification. Okay, so this is our add habit screen. Now next we have a start screen. So start screen is quite similar with our previous project, where we have two, where we will show two things here. One is our we have a one we have a simple like graphs and charts where we show the monthly month, like our monthly user can see like what is the progress. Like suppose a user is watching some habits. Like suppose if stats can have an option to select the day. Okay, day, date, or something like that, and then user can see how many habits he have complete over time. Okay, and summary of a weekly or monthly performance. Like we give the user to have a filtration. Okay, we'll give user this. So it is something like this is our chart related thing. Okay, line chart or bar graph, whatever it will suit, we will see. Okay, and there is a summary. Okay, the summary will tell you like how will tell the user like how the things are going on. Okay, it's a like all like it's a like something you can say, user will see like how many habits he have completed this week or this month. Okay, how consistent he is with these habits and etc. Okay, lastly, we have a settings. Okay, now settings is something like we'll give two options to user. First is user can set the enable or disable notifications. Secondly, we have a theme option. Like we will understand how we can create an app with two different themes. All things are completely you know all things are completely will define, all things are completely custom. So you will define if user selects the light mode, then we'll modify the app to light mode. Colors will be the light. Okay, like background will be light, and on the colors there could be a darker or some mid-range colors. Okay, and if user select the dark mode, then background looks like some dark black or dark colors, and then the text quite with some light or mid colors. Okay, so we will see how we will doing also in the like if this is a this stat screen will also tell like users to have an option to select any habit. So where what we will do, we will show a user, like suppose if user just click user can see how many streaks he has maintained. Suppose if I have set like I'll daily till 3 months I'll daily drink water, or I'll say like I'll drink water daily. Okay, so user will see. Okay, user have like so then also like in this page, the home page, we have a list of habits, right? So user can just click on it. Yeah, I have completed this one, I have completed this one, I have completed this one. So if I click, if the user just click on yes, I have drink a glass of water, so we will mark as that this habit we have completed. So now in this we will add like okay, Monday you have done. Okay, so Monday you have done, Tuesday you have done, so Wednesday you have done. Okay, three streaks are maintained. Now if users forgets to like skips to mark on Thursday, but on Friday he has marked, then this the streak is automatically like cancelled, and it will start from beginning. So this is how it will look. Okay, there is a quite confusion I think you have like between the stat screen and habit detail screen. Like these are two different things I told you. Okay, so that actually I was planning whether should I make a single screen for that, or I'll or will develop two different screens for that. Okay, but when we are start with the development, I'll let you know what we will do. But yeah, we will have a start screen and detail screen. Okay, so whether we'll keep in a single screen or we will have a two different screen. More or less I was thinking to have a single screen where we have a habit detail screen, so user just click on any habit and it's show the stats of that detail, that habit. Okay, user can have a will give an option to user to check the monthly review and everything. But yeah, firstly we have a like we'll go with our habit detail screen first, then we will see if we got some time, then we'll develop that thing also. Okay, but our main priority is have a three things, three to four things here. Like uh, we will have a home screen which consists of a list of habits. Then we have a habit detail screen where user can see the like streaks and all and details he has filled on that while adding the stream. Okay, habit details. Okay, then we have a create habit screen. Okay, it can be a edit screen as well. Create or edit is, these are same. Okay, where user can name, frequency, reminder. Let me put this box something. 1 second. Let me put this here. Okay, so reminder. Okay, name, frequency, reminder, or date. Okay, and lastly we have a date is something like start date. Okay, and lastly we have a settings. which is have a notification enable or disable theme selection, right? And this will also have a like monthly or weekly review. We can have a screen, we can have a like we can show monthly weekly review of particular habit also, but we'll see. Okay, I'll do some research on that, and I'll conclude what we will do here. But yeah, all the things are defined, designs are ready, so we'll start developing from the next video. Okay, so till then, bye bye, we'll meet in the next video.